back to the channel. So today I am unboxing a new travel cage for Regan. So the rescue wants him to be sleeping in a travel cage because he's been having accidents at night where he thrashes around a lot, and they're worried that he's going to fall out of his cage or like fall and hurt himself. So they want him to be put in a travel cage instead. So we are building the travel cage now. Here's the bottom. Let's see how this works. Okay, so this opens up like this. Just go down. And I think this goes on the bottom. Let me flip it over. I'm gonna move this up. There we go. Here's the entrance of the cage. It opens like this. There we go. And then let me put this on the bottom. And then okay, this goes like this. And we have a dowel. I can put this inside. I don't know if we're gonna want him to sleep on a dowel. He might prefer like a towel. And then we have these that I don't think we'll put in there either. Probably put them in, like, just use them as sleep bowls, since if he's gonna be sleeping in here, it's gonna be tight. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to see if Regan will go inside his travel cage. Yes, he did just take a bath. Ain't he cute? Okay. Regan, I'm gonna put your chip inside. Good job, Regan. Will you go in? How about if I just put you up here? Put you up here? No. Oh, okay. Maybe we'll try again later, okay? I'm not gonna lock you up. You can just go if you want. Good job, Regan. Okay, and then you can come out. I know, I give you a big one. Oh no, be careful, Regan.